Welcome to the TrackMyGuys WorkPodium video demonstration. In this video, we will be reviewing the Settings section. Let's get started. Navigate to the Settings tab above, where you can manage various aspects of your account. You'll find access to all your account information in this section. There is also a toolbar designed to assist you. On Company Details, you can edit your company's information here. On Pay Period, you can adjust your employees' pay periods to weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. Plan and Billing. Modify your payment plan whenever you need. This will be the primary payment method for your account. Clicking this button will redirect you to show all of the current plans that we have available. As you continue scrolling, you'll unveil a complete array of our current available plans. Upgrading may be necessary if you need to accommodate more employees. In the Transactions section, you'll find a repository of all past and recurring transactions. You can access details such as your next invoice, your latest invoices, as well as the description, date, amount, and status of each transaction you've ever made on your account. Lastly, we include the option of permanently closing your account at any time. That concludes our settings overview. We trust that this video has been informative and helpful to you. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you found the information valuable and that it helps you in all your endeavors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing our platform.